Well, here I am. Was hoping I was gonna ride today. Slept funny. His arm. It's getting better. This is what I was looking forward to. And right so bad it wasn't even clean my house. If you look outside, oh there she is. You can barely see it. There's Pokey. Hi Poke. Just finished up the other day. Oh, we found a bear. Hi bear. Guess this is my quick walk around for looking at my bike instead of riding my bike. It's got the new graphics. New handlebars. Y'all saw that when I bent them. See the old clutch lever. Got the new ProTaper one, but while I was taking it to a buddy's house, left the cap loose. I lost it. So I'm waiting for ProTaper to get a hold of me, see if they've got a replacement. There's some nice shit kickers right there. Some nice Dunlops. All new graphics. Got the new handlebars, new seat. Cleaned up a bunch of the bike. These tires do tear up grass. I found that out accidentally yesterday. There's Bear again. Hi Bear. So just giving you a quick tour of the bike. Like the seat. I'll do reviews on these later. Pipe.